Next, in CSS we are going to create this page. In this home, admission, all these are hyperlinks which are linked to some other page, and this is our drop down menu. So in this drop down menu, again these all are links, and again this contact and about us is link. So to create this page in CSS, this is our basic HTML code, and within body section we have to create all these. So first of all we have to create home, then is admission. So here list should be unordered list, and within this unordered list I'm giving li, and in this our first link is going to come a href equals to, right now we are not linking it to any other page, so we are putting hash inside. We can leave this thing empty also. So first thing is home, second one is admission. So here we have to put admission. Third, we have to put languages, and in this languages we have sub list of links. So here I'm giving li, and here I'm creating one class. I'm assigning one class to it, which we will be creating it later. Name of this class is Dropdown. And in this Dropdown, this is our link. And here we have to give languages. Here again we are creating one more unordered list, and here class equals to content. We'll be creating this class later, and in this unordered list we have to give the contents of Dropdown. So here we have to give C, CPP, Java, HTML, CSS and all. So here we are giving links of it's going to be C++, this is going to be Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and here we have to give basic. Now this UL is closed. Now we have to close this li. Li is closed. After this we have to give two more links, this contact and about us. So again here we have to give li, contact, and second one is about us. This UL is also closed. Save it and go live. So this is how our web page is looking right now. Now first of all we have to we have to remove margin, paddings and all. So first here we'll be giving in head section asterisk. Here I want to give, no, before that we have to give style, and now here I'm giving padding to I'm giving 10 pixel, margin to 5 pixel, font face, font family I'm giving is this one, font size I'm taking is 20 pixel, and we can give even font weight. I'm giving it 400. 400 is going to be 2. So this is how our page is looking right now. Now what we have to do, we have to remove these bullets, these underlines and all. So first of all, here we'll be removing bullets. So for that, we have to give UL, unordered list. We have to remove bullets from everywhere. So list style type to none. This is going to remove our bullets. Next, we have to move all these things in center. So for that, we can give text align to center. Save, and everything is in the center. Now we have to remove these underlines. So for that, we have to use text decoration to none. So UL, LI and A. Text decoration, here we have to give none. So it is going to remove all the underlines. Now we have to bring everything in single line, like home should be here, admission, then languages. The C, CPP, Java should be the sublist of languages, then contact and about us. For that, here UL, LI, and here we have to give display to inline block. So this is how our text has come in center, and here we'll be giving position to relative. Save. Next, we have to bring the sublist, that is C, CPP, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and basic. This is a sublist of language, so we have to show it in the form of block. So here we have made a class, that is this dropdown. So with this, what we'll do, dot dropdown and A. We are addressing that A with the help of this dropdown class, and what we have to do here, display to block. Save it, and you can see that it has come under languages. Next, we have to bring all these links here. So for that, here we'll be doing, we have made a class, we have assigned here a class content. We'll be using that class along with dropdown. So dot dropdown dot content, and here we'll be giving position to absolute, and right now we'll do this much only. So you can see that every link is now on its place, and this language, which is going to be a drop down later on, and its sublist is this. Again, this is a contact, and this is also a link, hyperlink. Next, we want that this list shouldn't be displayed. Only when this link is hovered, it should show this link. list, otherwise it should be hidden. So here we have to put display to none. This is going to hide that list, and later on when we will put hover effect on that link, only that time that list will be displayed. So we can see that it has hidden that list. Right now it is not showing that list because we haven't put hovering effect over it. Next, we want that whenever we hover over this link, color of the text should change. So for that, here we have to give hover effect over those links. So UN, li, a, and on that we have to give hover effect. For in that hover effect, we want that color of the text should change to crimson. Save, and so when we are hovering over it, its color is changing. Now, second thing, we want that whenever we hover over this language, it should display that drop down list. So here, dot drop down, we have to hover, and we have to show the content. For that, we have to write display to block. Save, and now we are hovering over home. Its color is changing to red. It is also changing its color to red. Now when we hover over this language, it is going to show drop down list. This is our drop down list, and so this was our page which we were going to design.